We're talking about thinning seedlings. So here we have 6 different sites where I've planted some root crop seeds. Now, root crops are especially important to thin because, of course, the main thing that we want to grow and eat is underground. And so if we've got some crowding, that's definitely not a good idea. So what I'd like to do is I kind of want to inspect what is the best looking one here. And so the best looking one to me, these are all fairly close, and I actually planted maybe too many. So what I'm going to do is come through and just clip off this entire section. We can just leave those on the surface of the soil, and then this one right here is going to be our breadwinner. Now we're going to do the same thing over here. So for this one, I'm going to clip off that lower one, clip off this one here. We've got one with a nice thick stem, and we're good to go. Similar approach over here. So thinning really is just kind of working evolution manually, because you're choosing the best looking or the fittest seedling to be the one that you end up harvesting. So these two are kind of crowded over here. I'll just chop those off and we'll work with this one here. This one's not up soon enough. There's not too many up, so that one's just going to stay there. And that's just a quick little tip on thinning seedlings. Really, to stress it, you're looking for the fittest seedling. What's the best one coming out of that hole? And in this case it was this one, in this case it was this one. I know it's hard to see with all the dead fallen soldiers over here, but that's basically the idea of thinning seedlings.